MaximoWorld is like a family reunion. I constantly run into people that I've just talked with before at previous conferences.
MaximoWorld is definitely like a family reunion for me. I've been coming for probably 15 years or more. Today is actually my birthday, so I am spending my birthday with my coworkers and the MaximoWorld community, and I'll be celebrating with my family when I return home on Thursday.
I have to be honest, it's not like any family reunion, our family reunion, because there hasn't been any fights. All kidding aside, over the years, we've met a lot of people, made a lot of friends, and again, I think it inspires teamwork.
And I love every opportunity I have with Interlock as a sponsor of that to be able to speak and meet with those friends and colleagues that I've built relationships over the years.
I think the thing that I enjoyed the most about it was actually getting to meet Carl and his team. This provided an opportunity for us to get together with our client and just break bread, go out and get to know each other.